Good evening, friends. My approach to select swing trading stocks on a weekly basis. I use this website called web.stockage.com, and normally I go into the scans, and then I go into the price scans, weekly breakout scans, and here specifically I look for close above last week high. Okay, so close above last week high, and you can do it for the stocks which are nifty 50 or nifty 200, nifty 500, whichever is your choice, but I would normally prefer nifty 200 stocks at the most, and then say apply, and then look for specific stocks which I am interested in, and added to this, if you have sectors which are going up, for example, now as we speak now on 4th of November. So if I go to different sectors like uh, finance, so let us see the trends. So basically the finance on a week over week is on a downtrend. IT is on a downtrend. Oil and gas is on a downtrend. I would say oil and gas is more on flat. Uh, Additionally, things like FMCG. So FMCG is flat. Auto, I would say, is on an uptrend. Of course, in the last couple of weeks, there has been a slight dip. However, the overall trend is positive. Auto is positive. Metal is slightly dipping in. And so overall, if I have to say, auto is a good sector. So now here I come here and go into this filter and get into the sector specific to automobile and ancillary and say apply. Now, as you could see here, so within the Nifty 200, I get the Tube Investment of India. Now, I come back to the trading view and look for Tube Investment specifically. Tube Investment, Tube Investment of India. Yeah, so this is the trend. Now, if you could see on a weekly basis, uh, I would say it is almost on a W kind of a pattern, which is a recovery pattern. So last week over week has closed, which is a good sign. Which is a good sign. However, on a weekly there could be a slight resistance at this 3,400 level, and a bigger resistance at a 3,700 level, which is far away. Now, one thing I would definitely look at is where is going to be my stop loss. So definitely, if I come below this, so I would want to exit. So if the stop loss is too big, like a 20% of that order, so I wouldn't go into the trade. However, in this case, the stop loss is around 11%, so you can take a chance and get into this particular trade. So this is one approach. Now, alternatively, I do have a list of stocks, which I call as my portfolio stocks, and I would also be looking at them. For example, TVS Motor. TVS Motor overall on an uptrend on a week over week. If you see the month over month as well is good, and last couple of weeks, even though Nifty had been falling, this stock hasn't fallen much, which is a good sign for the stock, and you can definitely enter in. Another one is the Persistent System. As you could see, week over week is definitely positive overall and an uptrend. It was in an uptrend, little bit of correction happened, and then it has crossed that previous uptrend, so which is a very good sign. And your stop loss now is going to be very low. Monthly, if you see Persistent System, this is going good as well. Another one could be Bajaj Auto, month over month positive, week over week slight correction happened. However, this correction closing is not even the 50% of the previous week, so which is definitely a good one to take a position on. Another one is Ramco Cement. You can see similar trend. It formed a big green candle here, and the subsequent week fall is you know, slightly more than the 50% of this, so which is definitely good, and overall trend is positive. So that's it. Thanks for watching.